keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. China's National Financial Regulatory Administration issued a draft on easing rules on foreign investment in asset management businesses as part of efforts to attract overseas investors. Among rules, the NFRA is soliciting public opinion on the proposed removal of restrictions barring overseas non-financial institutions from investing in financial asset management firms. The draft rules also call for abolishing the total asset requirement for overseas financial institutions wanting to invest in financial asset management firms. Multinationals would also be allowed to directly initiate the establishment of foreign-funded financial companies under the draft rules. The capital market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, looks for dramatic improvement in mutual fund schemes. In mutual fund schemes, the improvement is even more dramatic. Pendency in the 175 watermarks is down to 6, the SEBI chief said in a press conference, adding that in terms of pendency of registration of applicants, pendency is down. The aging isn't that dramatic, she added. The underlying reason is that the net worth requirement of the applicant is not being met, or they are awaiting approval from some other regulator, she said. The Securities and Exchange Board of India is working on the instant settlement of stock market transactions and is mulling fixed prices instead of reverse book building in delisting, Chairperson Madhabi Puri Book said. India fully transitioned to a T+1 settlement system for equities in January. An investor buying shares will get delivery the next day, as is the case for sellers. The country had earlier followed the T+2 system. Book said the market regulator is thinking of taking one further step. One of the things that we think is not very far off is instantaneous settlement on the stock exchanges. We are currently working on that. Wall Street's top regulator adopted new rules requiring publicly traded companies to disclose hacking incidents, a measure officials said was to help the investing public contend with the mounting cost and frequency of cyber attacks. On a party-line vote, the 5-member U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission also voted to propose requiring broker-dealers to address conflicts of interest in the use of artificial intelligence in trading, a reform partly influenced by the events of the 2021 meme stock rally when officials found robo-advisors and brokers used AI and game-like features to drive user behavior. The new cybersecurity rule will require companies to disclose a cyber breach within 4 days after determining it is serious enough to be material to investors. The rule would allow delays if the Justice Department deems them necessary to protect national security or police investigations, the SEC said. The Securities Commission Malaysia commends the initiatives announced today by Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, at the launch of Madani Economy, Empowering the People, at the SC. The capital market can play a greater role in supporting the aspirations of the nation to become a leading economy in ASEAN whilst improving the financial sustainability for all Malaysians. Through industry engagements and consultations, there is a pipeline of capital market initiatives, which amongst others, aim to make investments more affordable for all Malaysians and to provide greater funding access for MSMEs through the capital market. The SC will soon announce more details with regards to the 3 specific measures announced, which aim to improve stock market vibrancy and reduce market friction. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, In the Grand Scheme of Things. Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. This edition features articles on the usage of social media for investment marketing, an introduction to vulnerable investors as well as the recent Global Money Week. Download your copy today and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.